Learn how to capture attention. My job is to wake people up. Do you know that 95% of businesses out there have not even invested in social media advertising? It's pretty insane to think about that. Registered businesses, which are hundreds of millions across the planet, 95% of them have not dove into the social media world. What does that tell you? That social media doesn't work? Or the opportunity is so new that they don't understand how to use it or how to be a part of that particular world? I would say the latter. People don't understand how to be a part of it. So what is your job? How can you generate some income? Because right now we do millions of dollars. This agency right here with over 50 staff, we generate millions of dollars every single year by helping other clients also expand their businesses. That is our mission. Our mission is helping people that are powerful and able get more attention to their businesses so they can actually grow their businesses and get more people, more eyeballs. Guys, you got to remember that the most important asset in this world, the most important thing that we are all fighting for is attention, and particularly human attention. We don't care about if our dog pays attention to us, we're not gonna make more money, right? We're not gonna be able to pay our mortgages. But if we get humans to start paying attention, then we can actually grow our financials. It's as simple as that. Social media has a lot of attention. So what do? You gotta get good at it yourself. You gotta travel the road that I traveled. I started learning myself, I started studying, and I started looking into how to become an expert myself in social media. So I got good at it, and I became a professional myself on the subject by hard work and dedication. I didn't have certification, I didn't have a university degree, I didn't have any of that stuff. So what I did was that I became a social media superstar. So what you do, okay, is that you're gonna master it, and once you get some basics on it, how to select an objective on Facebook, how to use a business manager, how to find an audience on Facebook, how to generate leads, how to do all these sort of campaigns. Once you do that, your next step is you go door knocking to these companies. Let's say you don't have any money, right? And you need to figure it out. This is the one business that all you need to do is have some basic knowledge, and you can now start generating some income. If you have some basic knowledge, you can generate some income, so you can actually bring it in and start growing your business overall. Because this is what you do. Once you get some basic knowledge, you're gonna grab that knowledge and you're gonna go and knock on somebody's door, and you're gonna tell them, hey, I want to offer you social media marketing. And they're gonna be like, what? And you're gonna just tell them, can you look around? Do you know where people have attention? Are they looking at your postcards? Are they looking at billboards? Or are they looking at their phones? Okay, how about if I can put myself and your business there and capture attention so you can have people walking in through this business? So that's what I wanted to tell you. There's no excuses for that. If you need to generate some income, that is the fastest business model for you to be able to bring in some money today, now. And once you do that, you're gonna start being able to use that money to get other businesses, to get other areas expanded, to create your own brands, your own businesses, because now you're ready to take it to the next level. So what do you say? You want to start doing some of this? If you're looking for more income, I want you to know that the income is out there for you to go and get it. And this is the biggest opportunity out there to build your own agency, to build your own business and bring people in. If you agree, comment and let people know that you're watching this content, and bring more people in here so they can actually get some help from my content, okay?